Hello, hello, friends. Welcome back. Welcome to today's Qi Energy Activation. Today, we're going to do the first 6 movements of the 18 forms. We'll begin with our feet shoulder width apart, finding the center of balance, rocking back and forth from the balls of the feet to the heels, left and right, bending the knees, sinking your energy, feeling grounded in the earth's energy. On a long, slow inhalation, let's begin by gathering that peaceful qi. And then a long, slow exhalation, flowing it down that central column of your body from the top of the crown to the base of the torso to your perineum. Bending the knees as you lower the hands and then flowing the energy down the legs, past the feet, out to the ground. Let's do 2 more times. Breathing in. And breathing out. Last one, breathing in. And breathing out. Very nice. The first movement today is called Harmonizing the Qi. As we inhale, we raise both hands in front, simultaneously bending the knees, dropping down. Hands come to the height of the shoulders, and we exhale. Hands go slowly down as we straighten the legs. Breathing in, hands rise, knees bend, keeping the tailbone tucked under if you can. Breathing out, rising. We'll do 6 rounds of each of the 6 movements. Here we go for 3. Inhaling. Exhaling. Fingers are spread, keeping your attention on any sensations in the hands, the fingers. Breath is slow, deep, and relaxed. Here's the last round of the first movement. Inhaling. Exhaling. The second movement begins with the hands facing each other here out in front of the lower belly. Chest is slightly open, shoulders are relaxed. As we inhale, we raise the hands up to the height of the shoulders. Open the chest. Turn palms to face down and exhaling, lowering as we simultaneously bend the knees to whatever level we're comfortable with. Breathing in, hands rise, legs straighten. Breathing out, hands lower, knees bend. Breathing in for 3. Breathing out. 4. Inhaling for 5. And now the last round of this movement. Breathing in. Front, either arm can go in front. Then lift from the elbows, straightening the legs, raising arms up over the head, looking up, separating the clouds. Exhaling as you return, bending the knees again as you lower, inhaling as you rise. Separating the clouds, revealing the beautiful sky. Breathing in for 3. Looking at that clear blue sky as you exhale. Breathing in for 4. Imagining you're looking at the night sky, seeing the moon, the stars. 5th round, inhaling, exhaling. Last round. Beautiful. For the next movement, we open into a horse stance with the toes open at 45 degrees. We raise the arms up. Chest is slightly open, arms are out wide. You're feeling that you're holding a rainbow in the palms of the hands. Let's shift the weight to the right leg so the left leg straightens and dip on the left side. Head follows the hand that lowers. Then inhaling, hand rises, shifting weight now, dipping on the right side. Slow, gentle movements, coordinating with the breath if you can. Breathing in as you rise to center. Exhaling as you shift the weight and dip. The hand going down towards the front foot, that leg straightens, the opposite leg bends. And we do 4 on the left and 4 on the right. As you're doing the movement, put the awareness on the palms. If you feel any tingling, any swirling, any vibrating, as you're holding the energy of the rainbow in your hands. Here's the last one. 6 and 6. Straightening back up now, we're going to bring the feet together, hip width apart or shoulder width apart, and hands in front, palms facing each other, elbows out wide, chest open, shoulders relaxed, knees comfortably bent. We're going to do rolling the ball. Feeling first the energy ball between the hands. And as you inhale, bring back the left hand and simultaneously move the right hand forwards. The head follows the hand that goes backwards. And exhaling, the hand comes forwards and the hands pass. There's an energy exchange. And now you turn and follow the right hand as it goes backwards. As the head comes backwards on the inhalation, the legs straighten slightly. As the hand comes forward on the exhalation, the knees bend slightly. Breathing in for 3, as the hand comes backwards, the other hand goes forward. That's opening, that's expansion, that's yang energy. Breathing out as the hands come together. That's contraction, that's yin energy. Inhaling, rising, exhaling, sinking the energy down. As the hand comes back, they can slightly roll the shoulder up and over and down as you come forwards. Again, feeling the energetic exchange as the hands pass in front. Now let's open the hands forwards and curl them like you're holding the oars of the boat. And now we'll do rowing the boat. Take a breath in. As you roll forwards, You bend the knees and drop down, and you bend as far as feels comfortable for you. You want to keep the tailbone tucked under still, keeping the back comfortably straight throughout the movement. Breathing in on the way up, breathing out as you roll for 2. Inhaling as you rise. Exhaling as you roll. 3. Rowing gently, effortlessly. 4. 5. 6. Slowly rise, hands at your sides. Let's do the movement for gathering and harvesting the peaceful qi. Breathing in, raising palms up. Gathering all the energy you've generated in the practice. Breathing out, flowing the energy down from the top of the crown, down that central axis of the body. Bending the knees as you lower hands, flowing the energy down past the legs, the feet, out to the ground. Let's do this 2 more times. Breathing in, legs straighten. Breathing out, energy flows from the top of the crown, center of the brain, your throat, top of the chest, your lungs, your heart, all the internal organs, your lower dantian, past your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet, out to the ground. The last round, long, slow, gentle inhalation. And long, slow, gentle exhalation. Inhaling, bring the hands to prayer position. Exhaling, bowing, giving thanks for your practice today. Namaste, dear friends. The light within me recognizes and honors the light within you. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you soon for the next Qi Energy Activation. Ciao.